What's next? Let's take a ride to our university. अभी हम लोग कॉलेज के अंदर जाएंगे। वैसे तो कॉलेज तो कभी आती ही नहीं है, ये आती है रेगुलर। मैं बस एग्जाम देने आती हूँ और मैं बस क्लास अटेंड करने आती हूँ। सो वी आर इनसाइड आवर कॉलेज नाउ। दिस इज द आर्ट्स फैकल्टी कैंपस। You say thank you। और ये चिलचिलाती धूप में मैं अपनी दोस्त ये क्या कर रही है अभी? ओहो रिचा मैम, सो प्रिटी। एंड दिस इज आवर शिव टेम्पल ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट और फैकल्टी। और यहाँ तब आते हैं हम जब हम कुछ पढ़ कर नहीं आते और वी आर लाइक भगवान जी पास करा दो। हाँ, दिस इज आवर सेवियर पॉइंट। Oh, we are proceeding towards our department of political science. So, this is our department, our political science department, where everyone is not so political. And let me introduce our presentation area, where we have given our own presentations और बहुत जल्दी वाली ना questions answers करने के लिए। So you see, अभी तो presentation पूरे different है। So this is the area where we give our presentations। और presentation होने के बाद हम बहुत clap करते हैं। कॉलेज में जस्ट एक ही जगह जहाँ मैं रेगुलर आती थी, जेरोक्स सेंटर। वहाँ से नोट्स मिलता था, बस लेके घर चली जाती थी। और 2 साल हमारे ऐसे निकले। तो दिस इज आवर जेरोक्स सेंटर। And this is our Hansa Mehta library. So we are gonna have Maggie now. Maggie and ice. So अभी हम अपने कॉलेज के गार्डन में, बोटैनिकल गार्डन। हाँ, so this is the botanical garden which we barely used to come, but हमें शो ऑफ करना था, so हम यहाँ पर आ गए। They have maintained it very well. Yes, this is so beautiful. Idea from where to enter in this. Also for 2 long years we came here, but we never entered. Yeah. Never visited. So let's explore. There's a museum inside this department, so we are not gonna go, but just look at the department from outside. So you can see here highly eroded male deities, probably Gana, Yaksha, or Apsara. So these are from 13th or 14th century, and these are still preserved, and this is the beauty of archaeology department, that you will get to see very primitive idols and informations you will get from here. So वो रिचा अब इंट्रोड्यूस करेगी ये वाली डिपार्टमेंट. मैं इस डिपार्टमेंट की पार्ट नहीं थी. So that's physics department where I used to come for my subsidiary subject when I was in bachelor's. So this is basically the faculty of science where you get around 13 subjects to study in the whole faculty of science, and I must say that the faculties are wonderful. This is physics department. As you can see, there used to be a laboratory. It's still there. It's for second year base. University is so big that all the departments and faculties are spread all over the Baroda portion. Lectures happens.
Even functions also take places over here.
All the functions and the foreign.
Not only college functions, like I have attended a Bengali function.
This place is basically for all the cultural events, and professors meet up at meetings and guest lectures, which are generally based on when professors from abroad visits, so they do give their lectures in this auditorium. So you can see the ground there, that's called DN Hall ground, and basically all the tournaments of PCA and other tournaments from outside are happens here.
इधर मतलब इग्नू का कोर्सेस होता है.
This is the building which is assigned for all the courses which are available from IGNOU, so people can even pursue the open university courses also inside the our university premises.
तो अभी कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
So we are going from architecture department. This would be last, I guess. We will be covering up for this.
That is the architecture department.
Yes.
Keep yourself hydrated, guys. It's very hot outside.